Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick dLog packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go.
I was thinking about the word reach, and I want to be very specific about the word reach. When you literally have to go on your tiptoes, stretch right up, put your arm out as far as you can, and you can only just get the thing. And you're at the absolute maximum of your physical limits. You might even have to get one of those stool things you can buy, for a kitchen, to those tiny stools, and you're stretching on one of those, of course, safely. And I want to ask you, what does reach, or what is it that you might have in your life that you may have to reach out for? Now, what stimulated this thought was I was thinking about something that David Haidt talked about at the Do lectures, and there's links and stuff about what they do linked to this podcast, this dLog. And and he talked about you have to have a bit of luck. But he talked about it in such a way where luck can be in front of you. You can be prepared to see the luck. You can be organized. You can be ready to seize the opportunity. But he talked about, I'm not sure whether it was intentional or not, but he talked about this having to pull luck towards you, which made me think about reaching. Well, you can be so close to success you might want to see in your life. You could be literally within a nose length of being right next to it. And yet, unless you reach out and grab it, it'll pass you by. Right? It made me wonder about moments in life that we might have where we get close to things that we've always wanted to achieve, see or do or experience. It's not necessarily about achievements either or goals. This is just about, I've always wanted that to happen. And there it is in front of me. And maybe the last move is to stick your arm out and grab a hold of it. Unless you knew that that's what you had to do, would you actually do it? Would you miss that moment? Think about any kind of sporting event, like a cycle race in a velodrome or an athletics race where you've got competitors racing to the line. It's pretty obvious that one of them is going to dive as low as they can to be the first person on the actual line to get first place. But sometimes in life, it's the same in just normal experiences. The items that you desire are right in front of you. You're a nose length away or a hair's breadth away, whatever that phrase is. And the last move is you've got to reach out and grab it. You've got to reach out and do it. You've got to actually take a hold of that moment and then seize the day with your reach. Just a thought.
Thank you for tuning into Double D and our dLog. Remember to think, reflect, and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick dLog journey. Until next time.